So this video is a tutorial stroke demo of Jasper the AI writer. I'll try and keep it as brief as possible, but I think it's important you watch this before you jump in and start the trial or start using Jasper so that you don't waste words and you know where everything is. If you do want to try it out, there is a link in the description of this video. Here is Jasper. Okay, let's keep this video as brief as possible. I'm going to first show you the stuff you don't really need to worry about yet, and then we'll get to the nitty-gritty. So very quickly, here is your dashboard. Scroll down your dashboard. You can join the community, you can recommend friends, and it also tells you what your credits are and what you have left this month. And now we're going to go down to the very bottom left, because there, hidden away, is the settings button. I've always thought it's a strange place in Jasper. And there's only one thing you really need to worry about this before you start using Jasper, and that is just to go to the Workspace tab and change your language default. So there's the different languages. I've changed mine, obviously, from English American to English British. Don't worry about anything else there. If you want to try Surfer SEO, yep, you can try it out by clicking that tab there. It's just your personal tab there with your name, your team, your billing. And yeah, usage is useful because it's for the billing cycle you are in. So you can check there what words you've been using in that particular billing cycle. And obviously how many you've got left. And we'll go to the top now and we'll look at, well, I'll tell you what, templates we'll get to in a minute. Let's just go down to show you everything else. Templates and recipes we will get to. Documents is where your documents will be saved. That's once you've created your AI text and pasted it into what's like a Google document and saved it. That's where they will be. The trash is where you've deleted documents from that. AAI art, I'll just touch the button very quickly. Something completely different. It looks fascinating. It creates unique artwork that is completely unique and you can't get in trouble with any copyright. And I'm definitely going to be trying it out. And then you've got, this is important, your AI output. So when you first start using Jasper, you might generate some AI writing and then change and go to a different template. And you think, oh no, I've just lost that. At the end of the day, I've paid for it, or it's used up words in my trial. Don't panic. All of your AI output is stored in AI outputs. So everything you've generated will be there. And below that, you've got your favorites from your AI writer outputs that you can favorite just by clicking on a favorite like that. And your trash. And that trash is for the AI outputs. So let's go back now and into the nitty-gritty. I think you're ready to start having a look at how to use Jasper, and we're going to look at Jasper and we're going to look at the templates. Jasper or Jasper, what do you think? And if you've used other AI writers, you are probably familiar with this kind of layout. So you can narrow them down. There's all the templates for social media. Here are your frameworks, some interesting ones here. Tell Jasper exactly what to write. It's good, this. I did it on a story the other day. So you give a brief background and then you say what you want. So you can say, Phil is a blah, blah, blah. So I am a failed TikTok creator, whatever. And then you say, I want Jasper to write a story about Phil moving in his van to Spain. And it actually writes a story. Very interesting. There's your email commands. I can just click on these and go through them, but you can do it yourself. All right. Just go through the list. I highlight a couple that are definitely worth you trying on your trial. I tried this the other day. I liked it a lot. One-shot blog post. It writes a full blog, complete with introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Just to let you know, though, obviously, if you're using this on how many words do you get on? I think you get 10,000 words on the Jasper trial, don't you? So, a blog post is probably going to be about 1,000 and 1,500 of those words. But yeah, definitely worth trying out to see how good it is. Now, scrolling through a few more interesting ones. Where's the TikTok one? TikTok video captions. It wrote something that made me giggle. Definitely worth a try. And I would try all of the, the shorter form things because it's not going to use up your trial words, just to get an idea of how good Jasper is. It can help with testimonials, ridiculous marketing ideas. It has got some good unique features, but we're just going to pick one because I'll show you different ways you can use Jasper with this one template. So we're going to click on video titles, and I'm going to be making a video later this week about Black Friday software offers and deals. All right, and I want to rank so that if someone did a quick search on YouTube and they typed in Black Friday software, which is something probably, don't be pinching this one, it generates, hey. I'll probably, I've just had a thought, I'll probably get this video up before my video, you'll have pinched it. And you can choose your tone of voice. You can have witty, friendly, angry, or polite. I'm actually going to go for a witty title here. And here is the number of outputs you want. Now, for video titles, you can only have 2 outputs, so I can either have 1 or 2. So the thing to consider with this is quite important, this button. If you are doing long form content, if you have a lot of outputs there, it's going to use up your word allowance more quickly. So I think for video titles, you can only have 2 or 1. All right, and now we are going to click generate to generate the AI content. And each of them has given me 3 things to pick from. How to get Black Friday software deals before anyone else. Good title. Black Friday, in brackets, software deals, the best one so far. Good title. This is why I'm doing this review of Jasper. This is what you need to do with all of the AI writers. Try them out. And the thing is with Jasper, I do find when I use it, I look, yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. And some of them can be hit and miss. How to get the best Black Friday software deals without getting scammed. The ultimate guide to Black Friday software offers. And then missed out on Black Friday. So if I've done them and I'm still not happy, so it's given me 6 for each thing. And of course, this will use my word limit up, but I can then generate some more. I'll just do that to show you, okay? And great titles, AI generated. So if you use these titles, they have taken stuff that has worked before and made it unique. All right. There they are. If you wanted to get rid of them, they will be stored in the history there. So you're not going to lose them. And as well as that, when you want to use these, right? So say you're going to pick one of these or a few of these. When you're ready to use them, you click on them like that. It will copy them. And then you can paste them into whatever word processor you use, or you can click open in docs. And here is where you can do more. Just to show you very quickly, in open in docs, this is the power mode because it's got 3 panels in it now. So power mode shows you your traditional sort of word writer. It's got everything you've done there, so you can find anything that you've generated and add that onto the list. Take, change, and down the left, it has got all of the other templates that you can paste it into, but we're going to have it into focus mode. Black Friday software deals, the best one we've found. You think it's good, but yeah, you're not quite there with it yet. So you can click on rephrase, or you can click Control E. Rephrase. And it's changed it to best Black Friday software deals we could find. As well as that, you can write it. I'll show you again. You can fix any grammar on it if you're not happy with it. You could also explain it to a 5th grader. I think 5th graders probably know more than we do these days, but here we go. The best Black Friday software sales are the best time to buy things you need for your computer. You will not want to miss out on these deals. So all the time, it's creating new stuff. The plagiarism checker is a paid-for add-on. You could use the service within Jasper, or you could use another service for plagiarism. That's making sure that something's not being copied. Just thought I'd show you that. And just to show you as well, while we're over there on the left, that is the shortcut pro tips. Yeah, so that's basically what you use Jasper for. When you found your title, you can change it, you can use the Word document, you can write everything, and then if it's, in my case, just a short title like this, you'll find the one you're happy with, you will copy it and paste it into your YouTube article. I will show you one more in this video. Okay, so here we go. The next one we're going to try is, pause while I find it. Okay, and we'll use blog post conclusion. Okay, so I've already typed it in here. So what are the main points of the outline of the blog post? Black Friday software offers and deals. Phil reviews the best Black Friday software. And the call to action at the end is I want them to check out Phil's suggestions in the list below. Just let me type that quickly. There we go. 2 outputs again. It's going to be a friendly tone of voice, and we click Generate AI Content. And here we go. There's 2. It's created. Let's see how good they are. Black Friday is a great opportunity to get some awesome deals on software. I've compiled a list of the best Black Friday software is often deal for them. Check them out below, and happy shopping. Can't speak. Great little conclusion paragraph. That's it for our roundup of the best Black Friday software deals. We hope you found this information helpful and you have a great shopping experience. Did we miss any good deals? Let us know. This is why I like Jasper. And I do try the other ones out and they're all very good, but I just think that it just tends to hit the mark. And then, yes, which one am I liking more? I'm liking that one more. I can open that in the docs. And then I can change it around. I can shuffle the words. I can add to it. I can paste it into, copy and paste it into my actual full blog. And I'm never panicking. It's always going to be stored there. And I've always got it to use. Okay, so then I've got my conclusion in there. I can change it, I can adjust it, I can use all of these little features, I can rephrase it, fix the grammar. I just clicked that before and it was exactly the same because it's saying the grammar is okay. You can explain it to a 5th grader and do all those other things. Tweak it, change it when you're happy with it, copy, paste it, and use it in your article. So, I will be making another video of long form content and how to create a full blog. So do watch that one as well. But just as you're trying out Jasper, just thought I'd make you aware of all the features. Hope that has been helpful for you. Give it a try. There is a link in the description so you get a free 10,000 word trial. Put it through its paces. Tell me in the comments what you think of it. And thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. We're back with more software reviews and demos on just about everything. Another one coming soon.